front of me is Power, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, launch it. To mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options however you wish to. If you are looking for something more interesting, hit preset on the left, tap on one of those, choose yes and adjust all of its settings. Now you can click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose set as live wallpaper. Yes. Apply. And wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!